When we lawyers are involved in cases where there's another lawyer, and sometimes we appear in court, we often will talk with the other lawyer. Sometimes the lawyers will be asked to talk with the judge privately. Sometimes that happens in the courtroom. The judge will say, will the lawyers approach the bench? Sometimes the judge will ask to meet with the lawyers in the judge's office. And clients will watch this going on and reasonably sometimes conclude that their lawyer may not be acting in their best interest. I know that that's not the case in the vast, vast majority of cases. Yes, it probably does happen sometimes, but if you ever get into a situation where you have some question about whether your lawyer is doing right by you, pull your lawyer aside and ask the question. You may very well find out that your lawyer knows the other lawyer. You might find out that your lawyer knows the judge. You might find out that the three of them all know each other, or maybe if there are more lawyers, they know each other too. One of our jobs as lawyers is to maintain communications with not only the judge but the other lawyers. And we deal with these lawyers, especially in a small state like Maryland, small counties that we're dealing in. We deal with other lawyers often many times. In my recent cases, I've been involved with several lawyers on multiple cases. And over time, we develop friendships. So keep all of that in mind. And if you ever get to the point where you think that your lawyer has sold you down the river, then question the lawyer. And if you don't get a satisfactory answer, you might want to consider getting a consultation with another lawyer about what's happened.